From $10,000 to real estate investor. How to invest in real estate today. Real estate is one of the most powerful vehicles for building long-term wealth. But most people think you need hundreds of thousands to get started. The truth? With just $10,000 and the right strategy, you can step into the real estate game today. In this video, we'll break down how to invest in real estate, even if you're starting with limited capital, and how to turn that first deal into a growing portfolio. First, you need to understand that real estate is not a one-size-fits-all game. There are multiple entry points depending on your risk tolerance, time availability, and income goals. With $10,000, your goal shouldn't be to buy a dream home outright. It should be to leverage that money into an income-producing asset. One of the most beginner-friendly ways is through house hacking. This means purchasing a small multifamily property, like a duplex or triplex, living in one unit, and renting out the others, with FHA loans requiring as little as 5% down. A $10,000 budget could help you secure a property worth over $250,000. You live almost rent-free, and your tenants help cover the mortgage. Over time, you build equity and gain landlord experience, two assets that are worth their weight in gold. If you're not ready to live with tenants, consider partnering up. Real estate partnerships allow you to contribute capital while someone else manages the rehab or operations. You can find deals through networking events, Facebook groups, or real estate meetups. Make sure to use legal contracts and structure the agreement clearly, especially around profits, responsibilities, and exit strategies. Another option is to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-producing properties, and they pay dividends to shareholders. You can start with as little as a few $100s through apps like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or even traditional brokers. It's a great way to gain exposure to commercial real estate without the hassle of managing tenants or properties. Let's not overlook short-term rentals. Platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo allow you to rent out a room, guest house, or even a property you sublease. With $10,000, you can furnish and list a rental-ready unit in a high-demand area. This strategy is especially powerful in tourist hubs or cities with events and business travel. Just be sure to check local laws and regulations to stay compliant. Wholesaling is another powerful strategy that doesn't require you to buy property at all. Instead, you find distressed properties or motivated sellers, negotiate a contract, and sell that contract to an investor for a fee. Your $10,000 can cover marketing, tools like PropStream or Deal Machine, and building a small lead generation funnel. This method requires hustle and negotiation skills, but it can produce fast returns and help you build capital for future deals. If you're interested in flipping houses, $10,000 won't buy the house, but it can be your first step. Many flippers are looking for private lenders or capital partners to fund repairs or closing costs. You can negotiate a return on your investment while learning the ins and outs of renovation projects. Make sure to vet the flipper's experience and always use written agreements. The key to success is research and preparation. Learn how to analyze deals. Use calculators to determine cash flow, cap rate, and ROI. Understand local markets, rent trends, and property taxes. Build a team, an agent, lender, contractor, and property manager. Real estate is a people business, and your network is your net worth. From there, it's about consistency. Use the profits or equity from your first deal to snowball into a second, then a third. Reinvest rental income. Tap into appreciation and equity lines. Real estate rewards those who play the long game and stay educated. Real estate isn't just for the rich. With the right mindset, the right connections, and just $10,000, you can begin your journey toward becoming a real estate investor today. The doors are wide open if you're willing to walk through them. If this helped you see the possibilities with your first $10,000, don't forget to subscribe. And in the comments, tell us, which strategy would you start with?